I invite you on a unique journey within, a meditation that will help you harmonize your sacral chakra. If you wish to awaken your creativity, feel a deeper connection with your emotions, and open yourself to the joy of life, this hypnosis is for you. Immerse yourself in soothing vibrations and allow yourself to experience full healing. The Sacral Chakra, known as Swadhisthana, is the center of your creativity, emotions, passion, and sensuality. It is located just above the pubic bone and is associated with the element of water, a symbol of fluidity, intuition, and deep feelings. When the sacral chakra is balanced, you can enjoy life, freely express yourself, and experience harmonious relationships. If you feel blocked in these areas, this meditation will help restore the natural flow of energy and regain inner balance. And now, close your eyes and allow yourself a moment of deep relaxation. Turn your attention inward. Take a slow, deep breath in and a calm, long breath out. With each breath, feel your body becoming more and more relaxed, and your mind becoming calmer. Imagine a warm, orange-golden light beginning to glow just above your genitals. At first, it is gentle, like the flickering flame of a candle in the darkness. Gradually, it becomes more intense, radiating warmth and wrapping you in its energy like a soft, silky fabric. This light starts to pulse in rhythm with your breath, harmoniously spreading throughout your entire body. Feel this warm energy flowing downward to your hips, along the inside of your thighs, down to your feet. At the same time, it rises upward, along your spine, through your abdomen, up to your heart. This energy resembles calm, crystal clear water that slowly fills every fiber of your body, dissolving any tension and blockages. Imagine standing in the middle of a waterfall of orange light. Its warm, gentle droplets cascade down your skin, bringing refreshment and relief. Each drop carries new, life-giving energy. Now turn your attention to your body and look at it through the eyes of your imagination, with tenderness, with love. Imagine standing in front of a mirror, but this time you do not look at yourself critically. Instead, you see your body as a temple, perfect and full of life. Every part of you is filled with power, vitality, and beauty. Feel gratitude for your body, for everything it does for you. With each breath, send it love and appreciation. From now on, pay closer attention to your body, its needs and desires. Allow yourself to feel, accept your emotions. Do not judge them. Do not resist them. Follow the voice of your intuition, drawing from it a sense of security and confidence. Now take a moment to listen to your body. Place your hands gently on your lower abdomen and ask yourself, what do I need right now? Feel the response that arises from deep within. Perhaps your body is asking for more rest, more movement, or simply more love and appreciation. Trust the wisdom within you. Let this moment be a conversation between you and your inner self, an opportunity to reconnect with your true needs and desires. Imagine your sacral chakra as a blooming lotus flower. its orange petals slowly open, revealing their inner light. Each petal represents a different aspect of your creativity, passion, and emotions. Feel how the energy of this flower awakens your creativity, inspiration, and joy of life. You can always find time to do what you love. Allow yourself to express emotions in a creative way. Indulge in your passion and desires. Feel inner freedom, joy, and fulfillment. Let your creativity flow freely. Open yourself to inspiration. Just as a river flows freely, so can your life energy circulate without obstacles. You are like an ocean, deep, mysterious, full of life and unlimited creativity. Look at people with love and understanding. See their beauty, just as you see the beauty in yourself. Let your relationships be filled with harmony, tenderness, and understanding. Appreciate the journey you have taken to be here and now. Accept yourself fully. Leave the past behind and choose a conscious, love-filled life. Know that abundance is for everyone. There is enough for you too. By sharing, you truly multiply what you have. Feel the support of the universe. Open yourself to inspiration, guidance, and the creation of your future. Imagine a soft silvery moonlight surrounding your sacral chakra, adding to its glow and harmony. Accept your sensuality and express it in alignment with yourself. Whenever you see the color orange, let it be a reminder of this deep connection with yourself. Allow it to anchor this feeling of balance, creativity, and joy. As you move through your day, bring this awareness with you in the way you express your emotions, in how you engage with your passions, and in how you nurture your relationships. This energy is always within you, ready to guide and support you. Now, take a deep breath in and feel how the energy of harmony and balance fills your entire body. With each exhale, you anchor this new positive energy. Slowly return to full awareness, feeling refreshed, calm, and full of creative power. When you are ready, open your eyes and welcome this day with new energy and inspiration. Thank you.